some footage that seems to be a glitch in the matrix. The bird seemed to be stuck midair and is struggling to get out of it. Is it caught by something we're unable to see? Here is the full footage.
The bird.
Naglutaw ang bird.
The bird is crying. The mommy of the bird is crying and the baby bird is...
The weird thing about this footage is that the wind blowing is not that strong for a bird to glide on it. And the movement of the leaves of the tree seems not to show an uplift there.
The bird.
Is it real that we are living in some kind of programmed reality? This questions always pop our minds whenever we see something that is unusual. Whatever is it that happened to this bird? Why it is stuck midair? It's difficult to understand. So, we leave the judgment to you in the comments. Let us all try to figure out the untold.